Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to 180 Digital. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create an e-commerce website using WordPress. First of all, you need to log in to your WordPress dashboard. If you don't know how to install a WordPress on your site, just click the I button and check out my previous video. I showed you how to install WordPress in just 2 minutes. Okay, let's back to our new video. And in this site, you will check for appearance and themes. Click on it, and here the default theme are shown here. Just click on add theme, and you need an e-commerce theme. Here many famous e-commerce themes can be suggested, but I don't need these themes. I suggest you to use Woodmart theme, which is very famous theme for e-commerce. I mean e-commerce websites. And here in the inverted theme forest, you will find this theme by $59. I have purchased my theme, and here in the WordPress dashboard I will upload my theme. This is my theme. Just upload it and install now. It will take some time. Just wait. The theme should be in zip file, and it will extract by default. Just wait some time, and it will be unpacking the package. The waiting period depends on your internet connections or the software server connection. Okay, after installing, just click on activate, and here just click on let's start. Okay, it shows that thank you for activating the theme. The theme license is activated, and just click continue. We don't need install theme, we don't need this child theme, so skip this step. And you will have to select any kind of page builders. If you are able to use Gutenberg, so click on it. If you are able to use WP Bakery, so the famous web page builder is Elementor, the world's leading WordPress website builder. So just click on it and click continue. Here the required plugins are here, and just click install and activate all, and it will install and activate by default automatically. Just wait some time here. Okay, one of my plugins are activated, like Elementor is activated, it is required, and Woodmart core is also activated. Now let's check out the WooCommerce, and WooCommerce is ready for our e-commerce website, because WooCommerce is the leading plugin for e-commerce website businessman. It's also activated, and this contact form 7 is the default WordPress contact form builder, and this MailChimp for WordPress is used for sending and receiving mails for WordPress clients and customers. And this safe SVG is the icon sender, and all plugins are activated now. Just click on continue. Okay, let's just close this theme. Okay, and now you have to select a demo, whatever demo you want, and all of these are e-commerce. Okay, I'm selecting one of the demos. I need a digital, so I can find this from these are there are 89 demos here, and the update version shows some more, much more. My download version is from for many years ago I downloaded this and didn't update any type of these files. So just you can select one of these domains, I mean one of these demos, sorry for the mistake, and you can easily able to select any kind of theme here, demo here. So I am selecting this okay, let's just click live preview, and here I can select other. Okay, let's just click on mega store. These are mega stores for e-commerce websites. I have selected this marketplace 2, called marketplace 2, and if you want to create a makeup website, then you can look this. And if you want to select vegetables, you can also use this. Then there is games, dark mode, furniture, mega electronics, mega market, accessories, retail, marketplace, grocery, Black Friday retail too. Okay, I need the marketplace too. This and this, I'm just confused which one I need. Uh, here this is very beautiful, but I don't need this. Okay, this can be used Black Friday. I can use this live preview. And if you don't want to live preview this, just click on import. Use any kind of theme you want, demo you want. Okay, I'm just removing this from a tab, and it will import the whole website demos and contents. This will import your demo website pages, and it will import the all images here. This will import all icons and all of the written contents here, the menus and each and everything. So you don't need to manually code and write some widgets section, the header configuration or anything. So just let's wait for the finishing time, and it's complete almost. Okay, all contents are successfully imported and is ready to use. So just click on continue, and here everything is ready. Congratulations, you have successfully installed our theme and are ready to start building your amazing website. With our theme, you have full control over the layout and style, giving you the flexibility to create a site that suits your vision perfectly. So just click start customizing. Hooray, congratulations, you're ready to go. And here, as I said, this is the Woodmart dashboard, and if I want to visit my website, just click on control keyboard. From keyboard you have to click on control button and click on this, so it will redirect you to a new tab. So if you want to visit your new website, so just click on the theme, and here this is my new e-commerce page. Okay, it's quite beautiful, and which I need to make a WordPress website e-commerce. That's everything represented here. This is a slider, the banners, and here the top selling products. You will find top selling products here, and you will select the category here. You can find every category here: the furniture, cooking, accessories, fashions, everything. Okay, and here the contact buttons are selected here, and if here the social media buttons are also here presented, and almost the menu bar is selected here, and the top bar is also here, and here uh, top bar banner is also presented. If you don't want this, just click on cross. Okay, and here the popular items website, and here popular items products, and here you can find add to cart button. Here quick view button, it can be quickly view your products description, and you can select various kind of products, purchase items quantity, and here you can select SKU, your products quantity and the code number basically, and the category here, and the social media platforms buttons here. So just if you want to select any kind of category individually, just click on that category, and here you will find the price filter button, and here you will find a banner, and the buttons are available here for the whole products. And here you can filter the size by selecting any kinds of size button here, and you can filter by brands also. If you can check what is on sale and what is out of stock, you can watch by them. Okay, and here you see the banner which ensures you that the free shipping, online payment, 24/7 support, 100% safe, free returns, and these are important things that we'll need further. And here the footer sections are available, and the footer section shows some store locations, and here useful links, and your store locations are again, and your useful links again. So we'll customize this as our priority. And available on, if you have e-commerce apps, then you select here your app store and the Google Play Store. And if you want to make a newsletter, so here is the option, and you will find email form and the sign up form, and here the social links, the shipping system, whatever delivery system you are using, and the payment system. Okay, and also the page is in coming soon mode. If you want to make it live, you have to make the whole website easily. Okay, just click on the home button first of all, and here we are watching the full website here. Okay, this was the full video from today, and in the next video we'll see how to customize this website. So signing out from today. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.